I'm Ruben Graff. I'm with the System Engineering Group. I'm a senior supervisor, and we're working on the UNA project. The UNA project is truly more of a plug and play. It brings all the convenience of an analog DVR system where you just plug the camera directly into the back to a power over Ethernet or an IP camera solution. It has power coming out the back with up to 16 ports, and you can bypass any kind of switch or patch panels. You can plug your camera directly in, it gets power, and our software goes out and finds it.
I'm Caleb Jensen. I'm one of the engineering technicians here with the Systems Engineering Department. Take you over here to show you our UNA project. Our first prototype here, it's a bit of an open mess here because we didn't have a chassis for it yet. But we have, obviously the motherboard here. We have a USB connection to a USB hub. USB hub then runs 4 USB NICs per hub, which currently we have connected to a PoE switch. And from there it goes to the cameras that are on the table.
Yeah, you never know what parts you're going to end up with. We've been looking at probably 5 or 6 different motherboards we had to try out and qualify to see if they'd work. And so that gets to be real interesting on, which kind of processor you're going to use, how many ports they've got to have, and it's really interesting work for a hardware guy.
What really excites me about the UNA is that we get to basically go find parts, put them together, create a new product, and then we can play around with it and toy with it and break it essentially until we find all the possible holes.
We basically have to deal with not only the other team members and system engineering. We have a mechanical engineer, we have electrical engineer, and so we're constantly getting their designs and what they say we need to have. And then we also have to put everything together and integrate it into the network so the other engineers can get to it and work with their software. So we're working with all the different teams because eventually all the software that we have has to be able to run on the new platform.